Hi guys, Tony actually told me to send this screencast to you. Anyway, I'm gonna shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition. Really start drawing in that quality traffic that you're looking for. I got your website pulled up here. I love the call out right here. It's right in the very open, easy to access. So the first thing I actually want to go over is content. Looks like you guys got a little bit of content on there. I would actually beef that up to about 15 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do, how you do it. Plus, all these images, it all matters. Google recognizes what's behind it. Looks like you got your name back there. I would actually just keep that in your logo and switch these other ones out to more buyer's intent keywords. That'll just really help with your rankings and being 15 to 2,000 words of content so you can layer in those other keywords as well. Anyway, so if we go into heating repair Los Angeles right inside of Google, you got these Google guaranteed right here at the very top. These are actually brand new to Google. A lot of business owners have been so sick of all these spammy phone calls, so Google guarantee came out to help weave out some of those spammy calls. You do have those old school traditional ads at the bottom. A lot of people have just been going away with ads and all get for all. A lot of people have been going away with ads altogether. Geez, can't even spit that out. Just because of all those spammy phone calls and whatnot. You got this little map section right here. Really, for the rankings here, is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just your a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations, whether it's the Facebook, LinkedIn, you got the BBB, Locals Best, City Star. There's thousands of them out there, so we'd want to go get those same citations that your competitors have. But we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking your competition. Underneath that, we have this little map section. And really to get rankings here is really comes down to how much authoric content that you have on your pages. What you do, how you do it. Plus, we need enough content in there so that way we can layer in those keywords on what people are actually being ranked for or what people are searching for. And that also comes down to what's called a backlink. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. And if we take your URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Now, right now you got 221 referring domains, which is pushing back 1.75K backlinks. Historically, you've had 32,000 backlinks on your site, and it looks like you started this back in 2015. Had a really big increase in backlinking in 2018 or so, and just kind of had a roller coaster effect from there. And in total, you have 865 keywords that you're being found for. And your traffic coming from all this is 345 average clicks a month. I do see that you are running an ad off of Google as well. And if we go inside your keywords on words that you're actually being found for organically, you got furnace and attic safe, attic furnace, kilowatt air conditioning, is cloth wiring safe, attic gas furnaces, attic gas furnace. Let's go to the second page. Attic heating systems, remox into panel, attic HVAC units, heat pump clearance. Anyway, let me show you one of your competitions here. This is JW Heating. If we go inside of Ahrefs, I just want to do a quick overview of them real quick. They got 174 referring domains. They got 1.76 backlinks, 176K backlinks. They did have over 10,000 backlinks at one point. Organically, they have 1.2 thousand keywords. So in total, they're getting 754 clicks to their site every month. And if we go inside the keywords on what they're being ranked for, Los Angeles Heating, third position, 200 clicks. They're getting a decent amount of traffic. HVAC Los Angeles, 100 clicks every month. second position, getting a decent amount of traffic from that. So we can actually cherry pick these keywords that they're ranking for, use those for your own site, and as long as you have the content and backlinking done, you'll fly up to that first page. You can either apply these 3 free tips for yourselves, or if you need a little bit of help, I'd love to put a free custom plan together for you. Give me a call back, 702-292-0810. Look forward to talking to you later. Bye.